Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I just wanted to share with you guys the stuff I drink. Since you guys know I am in the keto diet or keto lifestyle, consider it a lifestyle, and as of today I've lost 37 pounds, which I feel like I'm almost there with my goal weight and hitting my goal, which makes me super happy. But I wanted to share with you guys the stuff I drink, or the drinks that help me and they don't kick me out of ketosis, and they help me whenever I need that little sweet tooth um, drink. And I'm also going to share with you guys what I put in my water to help me not get hungry during the day. So what I do in the morning is I get a big cup of water. I have a cup like this. I think it's 16 ounces. I don't know. It's 32 ounces. And I'll drink like 4 or 5 of those a day. And what I do is I put a little bit of this apple cider vinegar. I just put a little cap full of it, and it has to be with the mother. So I put that in my water, and I do squeeze a little bit of lime juice or lemon juice in it. It all depends. Like, this is the one I've started, so this is the one that I'm almost done with. Just to add a little flavor to my water, and it also helps me with my metabolism, I feel like, if I do this early in the morning. So this is what I feel like has helped me too, even with my skin. I feel like I've never really had issues with my skin, but I feel like my skin looks better too. And other drinks that I want to share with you guys that don't kick me out of ketosis, because in the beginning when I started this lifestyle, I wasn't sure what to drink. And I was also afraid to drink other drinks that would kick me out of ketosis or spike up my sugar levels, and that's what happens sometimes. So I actually found some drinks that I love, and I noticed that they don't interfere with weight loss, and they don't interfere with sugar spikes. But I do drink these in moderation. My favorite drink is this ice one, and it is sparkling ice. It is the coconut pineapple. This is by far one of my favorite flavors, and it says with antioxidants and vitamins, 0 sugar and 0 calories. And you guys, this goes a long way for me. Maybe I'll do 3 servings of this, so this will last me like 3 days. I don't drink them every day, but I cannot drink the whole thing. I feel like it's way too much, as far as like, it's kind of sugary, so I have to make sure it's super cold. But it does help me when I do want that sugary drink. Sometimes I do crave sugary drinks like a soda, but instead I'll have a little bit of this, and it goes a long way, you guys. The other flavor that is one of my favorites also is the sparkling ice crisp apple. If you guys like Martinelli apple cider, or that little apple juice that comes in that little glass bottle, this tastes exactly like it. It's super good. I love it when you need that little sugary spike. And I like these. And this one, I actually had this one on Thanksgiving, like to toast with my husband. So it was pretty good. 0 calories and 0 sugar. Super good. Another flavor that I love is the sparkling ice black cherry. It's delicious, super good. So these are 3 of my favorite drinks that are my go-to when I need that little craving. And I know that it's not going to kick me out of ketosis, because in the beginning I wasn't sure what to drink. So I was like kind of scared to drink anything, because I was afraid to get kicked out of ketosis or something that would make me gain weight. But so far these have helped me a lot, and I hope this video helps out anyone if you're starting this lifestyle or diet. These drinks won't kick you out of ketosis, because I do have the strips. And I know that when I've tried drinking these, I also test my pee to see if I'm still ketosis, and it looks like it doesn't kick me out. So I think it's pretty good, and I keep losing weight. So hope this helps you guys in finding a drink, because I did struggle in the beginning. I wasn't sure what to drink, but these are my go-to. This is what I'll have, like I tell you, when I'm craving something sweet. But the apple cider vinegar, definitely, I have that every day in my water with little bit of drops of lime or lemon, and that helps me out a lot. It really does suppress my appetite, like during the day. It helps me with staying my skin clear. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it helps. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.